Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday, last week of October. We are out here in the Dunwoody area. This is my client, Miss Poten. I came out here last week, gave her an in-home consultation. She said her husband found me online. And what we're going to be doing today, guys, I also have one of my students from Ricky. Ricky, he's from Texas. He got up here yesterday. He's going to be with us today and tomorrow. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is a clean and buff on these floors, engineered floors. And let me show you what we got going. We got a lot of rain for the rest of the week up to Friday. All right, guys, so we are out here in the Dunwoody area. This is Ricky from Texas. All right, so Ricky's one of my hardwood floor maintenance students. And Miss Poten said, Courtney, actually we got to move the truck because she said she's about to leave and she's going to go ahead and pay me before she leaves. So what we're going to be doing, guys, with the clean buffing, it is the only service where we don't have to move the furniture. So we just go around. So what we're going to be doing is all of this. Now, she does have some wear right here on those boards. I told her I will add some color. There's just a piece of leaf. But she has some missing veneer color on the top. So we'll, touch that up for her. So what we're always going to be doing, guys, is just the open areas of the clean and buffing. We charge $1.50 a square foot. And this came out minus the furniture, like 900 square feet. All of this, we're not going in the office. We just kind of go around the rugs. So that's what we're going to be doing, guys. So this is a very, very, very simple job, cleaning and buffing. And then after this, and then tomorrow we have a screen and recoat with UV Cure from a client that was recommended to us by another company, that their technician didn't feel comfortable doing his floors, and he has engineered floors as well, and he's in Powder Springs, but we'll be doing that tomorrow. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. That's you, Miss Poten? Okay. I know, right?
Yeah, we rolling through Dunwoody early in the morning haze. Courtney got that shine, man, we setting up the stage. Ricky from Texas riding, learning how we do. Engineer flow so clean, reflection in the hue. We just clean and protect and keep that wood looking new. Got that jazz and hip hop rhythm blues running through. From Georgia to Texas, now we bringing the groove. It's that Truman touch, smooth moves, clean and smooth. Wipe down the baseboards, pass, humming soft. Pro coat protecting, man, we lifting the gloss off. Ricky say lead, it's a whole different lane. Told him it's art, not labor, gotta move with the grain. Coffee in the van, be knocking through the dash. We ain't rushing money, we just perfecting the craft. Dunwoody vibe, sweet like Georgia rain. Wood floor singing back, call it hardwood fame. We just clean and protecting, yeah, doing it right. Jazz keys dancing, hi-hats tight. Ricky taking notes while the flow shines bright. Truman hardwood blues all day, all night. So if you hear that hum, that's the crew in the zone. From Texas to Atlanta, yeah, we polishing home. Ain't no stress, just success in tone. Truman blues keep rolling, we in our zone.
Floors are nice, clean. Oh yeah, she's gonna like this. So what we did, we closed the garage door. We're gonna go out the front door. Again, my client left, said, Courtney, just lock up when you're, just close the door when you're done. We also did the color correction in those areas that was really worn, just to make it look a little bit better. All right. All right, guys. Oh, yeah, look at that. All right, see you in the next one.